Good evening, everybody. Thank you for tuning in once again to the JD channel. My name is Jay, as well as I go by JD. I will be talking to you today about two items I recently picked up from Fry's. One I'm just going to show you, which is the new laptop backpack that I picked up, which actually has the Transformer logos on it. This was a promo code item from Fry's, which picking it up was around roughly $10. So I mean, I couldn't go wrong. I just didn't want to keep lugging around the laptop case over and over all my camera equipment. So at least this will make things a lot easier. As well as I recently did switch from the Naxa 4K style camera to the Sunpack Epic 4K camera. Now you're probably looking at it and saying, this is not a GoPro. Why would he bother to switch when they're very similar? Now with this particular camera, this actually has a few more features than the Naxa, and at the time I bought the Naxa, I was just kind of trying to learn to figure out what I wanted, but I will be doing an unboxing and tell you why I switched from the Naxa to this. So, see what's in store. The 4K Sunpack camera did come with a number of accessories, which I will go over and show you on the side, the few accessories that it does come along with. I'm not going to go specifically to the particular accessories because I'm still trying to figure out exactly what each item does, and I do have other attachments I use with it. But this is a brief overview of what the camera comes with. And this week with the Fry's promo codes, it was quite affordable, so I couldn't go wrong in trying it out. And when I did try it out, honestly, I did notice that the quality was a lot better, so rather than keeping the Naxa, which does lack in a few features and does have a little bit of distortion with low light, I decided to just return it and give this one a try. So let's unbox it. Let's open the box. Ooh, just like the previous camera, did come with the nice waterproof casing, which of course I do want to remove just so at least I don't hear the kind of echoing. Of course, you got a wiping cloth that comes with it, one mount, a handlebar mount, the attachment for, I believe this one is for the, I want to say the suction cup that I do have. I did actually purchase another Sunpack set as well of just accessories. The mount that you could put pretty much anywhere, it has 3M on it, so you could attach it to like the steering wheel and put the camera on there with a clip, which this particular one does have the clip on here. So if you did want to put it on the steering wheel, you can just clip it on like that and just have it sit like that, like some of the other YouTubers do. And let's see what else we got in here. We have some straps, and I do have the USB cable as well as some zip ties and some cables. But one thing that did lack compared to the other one is this one didn't come with a USB adapter, though pretty much I just connected to the computer or my phone connector just because they both use micro USB, as well as the instruction booklet. Fun. And I mean, I'm looking forward to taking more videos, and an upcoming video I am doing was shot with this camera, so you'll instantly see between maybe a few of the video logs where they'll look kind of distorted and even like the lighting will look funny. This one actually took care of that, and so some of them will look a lot better than they used to. But, you know, it's what's there to come, and, you know, if you want to pick one up, it's available at Fry's. I believe the regular price is $44. This week was a lot cheaper because of the fact of the promo code. Promo codes come out every couple of weeks. So, I mean, stay tuned. You'll never know what you find. And with the Sunpack camera being the new primary camera, the quality on most of the video should be a lot better. But, of course, I will be utilizing the dash cams as well as this Polaroid that I am taking the video with currently as alternates. The Polaroid actually is a cube, and it is a very nice camera as well. But this one, being 4K like, should have better quality, and with the microphone that I've done in the test run, it did sound a lot better, and there was not as much distortion as the Nexa. If you like what you see in this video, give it a thumbs up. Always comment and let me know what you think and what I can do better, as well as future topics, so at least I could continually make these video logs and make them on things that the viewers would like. Just to be on top of what's coming up next, I would subscribe as well as turn on the alerts, so then you'll be alerted when my new videos come out. And you know, there's more to come, so follow me Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, just like everybody says, at JAYXD3E, because JAYD3E was taken already. But you know, I just had to make do, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching and tuning in.